Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I am gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now click on your account settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see settings and privacy. Press on this. Now here you can see dark mode. Click on it. If you want to enable your dark mode on your Facebook, then you have to press on this on option. So this is how you can enable dark mode on your Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.